In this video, we're going to take a look at a product called Boss Secrets. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my review playlist. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. So let's check out the sales page together. Ever felt like the gurus are hiding something from you? You won't believe how she banked $4,938.85 in passive income online, and she's finally revealing her secrets without spamming social media, product creation, or paid traffic. Okay, so one very important thing you need to do before you check out on the sales page is to click the button on my bonus page, and you'll find my bonus page link in the video description for this video. If you're watching this on my website, then it should be a button under the video. Okay, so let me show you what I mean here. On my bonus page, you'll see a countdown timer once you scroll down just a little bit, and you'll see a button over here that says click here to get Boss Secrets now. Once you click this button, that'll take you back to the sales page where you can click this button to check out. Okay, so it's very important to click this button. There's a few on this page. Make sure the countdown timer is still active so that you can be sure you're gonna lock in my bonuses for this particular offer. Okay, so this is going to cookie you into the system to where Warrior Plus knows you used my link, and it's going to provide you with the exact button in the back end that's going to lead to my bonuses. Okay, so that's very important to do. All right, let's get back to the sales page now and go ahead and go over some more. So let's check out the bullet points here. Proven method for banking big profits fast with no gimmicks. Create passive income streams that reward you daily. Recession proof. 100% beginner friendly, no experience or tech skills needed, full-time dollars from part-time hours. Okay, so what exactly is Boss Secrets all about? So this is affiliate marketing training by Cynthia Benitez. She's going to give you her take on it and how she does it. So one thing you need to understand, there's a lot of affiliate marketing courses out there, but there's one thing that's different, and that's the actual business model of how they do it. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of things that's similar in affiliate marketing training, such as certain elements that's going to be the same, but everybody has their own take on how they implement it and do it in a certain way. So that's what you're going to get in this course here. She's going to give you her take on how she does it and what she does to make the passive income she makes online. Okay, so here's some reviews. You got some proof of earnings here. So as you can see, Cynthia Benitez, if you've never heard of her before, she's kind of new to the marketing space, but she knows what she's doing. As you can see, proof right here. So this is a product that you may want to pick up, right? If you want to learn her take on affiliate marketing. So let's keep scrolling down here. All right, so here's a little bit about Cynthia Benitez here, if you want to go ahead and read that. Now guys, like I always say in all of my video reviews, I'm not going to read everything on the sales page. I only go over specific things that I think is important for you to know. You can read all of this stuff on your own time, right? Okay, so it's a 1, 2, 3 easy system, right? Step 1, get your copy of Boss Secrets at a big discount. Implement the simple yet powerful Boss Secrets shown inside. You can do this extremely part-time, and watch as you start getting flooded with the commissions and sales. Right, here's some more screenshots again. Okay, a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee right here, guys. Try it out for 30 days. And here's some bonuses, so let's go over that. Fast action bonuses here. So bonus number 1 is affiliate marketing course. In this bonus, you're going to learn how to really make money with affiliate marketing as a newbie. Bonus number 2 is secret method of building your list fast and free. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can start building your email list fast and free very quickly. Bonus number 3 is amazing video software. So this is pretty cool. So in this bonus, you're going to get some great software that helps you create profitable video sites in 3 steps. Bonus number 4 is the freebie page. So in this bonus, you are getting a page full of free products and courses for you to use and grow your business with. Okay, and I think if you have any questions, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and read the FAQs right here. So that's it for the sales page. I went over everything that I think is important for you to know. So let's go ahead now and head to the members area. We're inside the Boss Secrets members area here, and as you can see, it's very clean and tidy. I like the way that her pages are structured. I like the way the modules are, where you click on the little plus button and it opens up and you have your video in there, and then you can close it back when you're done. So it keeps everything neat and tidy. It's pretty cool. Over on the right here, you can read a little bit more about Cynthia Benitez, but let me show you how this works. Just click on the little plus button here and we can go through each video. Alright, so you get the welcome video here, the walkthrough video here, where she's going to take you through this members area and give you some tips. Module number 3 here is the trust. So she's going to teach you about that. Going to show you and explain to you why building your authority, your brand with your audience is very important. So check that out. Module number 4 is the list. So in this video, she's going to tell you about why it's important to build your list, and a few tips and tricks in here about it. All right, module number 5 is the urgency. So in this video, she's going to teach you about scarcity and why all of these things are important for you to start earning commissions faster, right? So you want to earn quick as you can, and this is one of the elements that we use to make commissions faster. If you don't use this element right here, or technique or strategy, however you want to call it, you're going to not make as much as you can, okay? So that's very important to learn that right there. Module number 6 is the pre-sale. So this is important as well, guys, especially if you have a launch coming up. You want to pre-sale your audience. You do this with email as well, and she's going to show you some tips in here on all about that. Okay, module number 7 is the page in here. So she's going to teach you about bonus pages and what you need to have in there, how to construct it, and all kind of cool stuff about creating bonus pages. Module number 8 is the bonus. So in here, you're going to learn about how to create bonuses the right way and how to make sure it's something that your list would be interested in, as well as any visitors that's coming to your bonus pages and they get from the outside of your list, how you want to put in bonuses that's going to appeal to them. Module number 9 is the result, so go ahead and check that one out. And module number 10 is the conclusion video, where she's going to wrap everything up and give you some more advice, okay? And if you scroll down further down here on the page, you can see the bonuses are all located right here, okay? And here is where your OTOs are listed, your upsells. So when you was going through the checkout process, you may have skipped some of these OTOs or upsells, and you may want to later go back and get them, as maybe you didn't have the money to get them at the time, but you said, okay, I want to get this later. Well, they're provided in here for you right here by using these buttons. Okay, so that's going to wrap up the members area here, guys. Let's go ahead and go over the upsells now. Okay, so of course on the front end, we have Boss Secrets at $11.95. So you're gonna learn how to become successful with affiliate marketing. So upsell number 1 is Boss Secrets Advanced. This is $27. She's gonna teach you some advanced strategies to even make more money, okay, doing affiliate marketing. Upsell number 2 is Boss Secrets Done For You at $47. So you're gonna get done for you bonus pages every single week with this one. Upsell number 3 is Boss Secrets Reseller Rights. So this is at $67. So you're gonna be able to sell Boss Secrets as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel. And upgrade number 4 is coaching at $197. So you're gonna get coaching for a month, where she's gonna help you with anything you need regarding internet marketing. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up the upsells. So now let's check out the bonuses I have for this particular offer. Okay, so we're on my bonus page here. So again, guys, make sure this countdown timer is still active so you can lock in these bonuses, and go ahead and click any one of these buttons here that says click here to get bonus secrets now, so you can lock in those bonuses inside your Warrior Plus account in the back end for the Boss Secrets product. Okay, so bonus number 1 is email marketing for beginners. Okay, so these are my exclusive custom-made bonuses, guys, so you won't find these anywhere else, right? They're only provided by me because I created them from scratch. So all of these bonuses are very complimentary to affiliate marketing, because all of these things in these trainings that I'm providing here is going to be relevant. Okay, so let's go over the bonuses. So bonus number 1 is email marketing for beginners. You're going to learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate master copywriters. You're going to discover how to understand email copywriting by dissecting the meaning of each line, okay? You're going to learn the secrets of master copywriters by using the same tricks that I teach in this training. You're going to discover how you can write like the masters by simply filling in the blanks in this training. Inside this training, you're going to see a screenshot of an email that I wrote with a line and an empty box going to that one sentence or paragraph. And you're going to have to guess what that sentence or paragraph means. So this is how your visitors are reading your emails and what's going through their mind as they read it. Then, of course, I'm going to click a button and it's going to fill in that form for you so you can compare that to what you thought it meant. So it's pretty cool training, right? It's going to help you understand how to write email copy better. So you're also going to find out what to say in your emails that invokes the readers to take action and have a purpose. All right, let's check out bonus number 2. Bonus number 2 is YouTube Cash. This is video training on how you can use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. You're going to discover the right way to pitch an affiliate offer on YouTube so you can make more commissions faster. You're going to learn what to write in your YouTube descriptions to get better results time and time again. You're going to discover the perfect script for your YouTube videos so you can create the best profits. You're going to watch over my shoulder as I show you how the masters of this space use this method to cash in. Okay, let's check out bonus number 3 here. Bonus number 3 is autoresponder sequences and automations. The money is in the list, guys. So you're going to learn the secrets behind email marketing and how to set up a money funnel on autopilot. You're going to discover the inside secrets to creating a money funnel email marketing sequence. You're going to learn that one thing you need to do before asking anyone on your list to buy anything. You're going to discover how to set up your emails on autopilot so it's making you money 24/7 hands-free. And you're going to find out how I use automations to make more money using this simple setup in my autoresponder. Okay, let's check out bonus number 4 here. This is the conceptual system. So this is a bonus that no matter what I'm promoting, if it's affiliate marketing based, I add this in because this is my affiliate marketing business model where I add that and my also launching product system together to make a double ladder value system. So you're going to learn about that in there, okay? You're going to discover the double value ladder setup system to increase your earnings twofold. You're going to learn the secrets I use to turn other people's buyers into my own leads. You're going to discover the exact foundation I use to funnel buyers like flies into my sales funnels. You're going to find out the secrets to making more money with this automated system that I use on a daily basis, okay? And bonus number 5 is color psychology and marketing. You're going to learn how to decode colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. So this is a really cool training, guys. It's good to know this type of stuff because color psychology is a part of marketing and sales, okay? Just to give you a quick example, all of these big businesses such as restaurants, companies that sell merchandise, they all use similar color codes, all right? If you look at the restaurants, red and yellow. If you look at some of the big brands, blue is also in there. So yeah, I'm going to teach you that in this training, okay? So you're going to discover how to understand what colors mean and how you can use them to increase profits. You're going to learn the secrets of the numbers game and the best combination to use. You're going to discover how you can learn from pro copywriters free just by going through the junk in your mailbox. And you're going to find out the words to use in your offers that can make your visitors want to take action right now. And bonus number 6 is the spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system you can use to 10 times your list building literally overnight. You're going to discover an easy way to put your list building on steroids by using this simple spreading goodwill system. You're going to discover the 2 things you need to do on a squeeze page to get guaranteed subscribers. You're going to discover this one platform you can use to help you start building your email list and get instant buyers. And you can use this one trick that I show you in this training to gain the visitors' trust so that they want to buy from you. All right? Okay, so these are the extra bonuses worth $322. You can check out the little recap section here. Okay, so if you scroll down to the bottom of the page right here, you'll see how to get your bonuses. So how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus. So make sure you have a Warrior Plus account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. Just go to warriorplus.com and then you can create an account there. Once you do have your account created, you want to go ahead and click on the little drop down tab by your name name once you're logged in and look for purchase history. Click that. Then it'll take you to another page, which is step 2. And then you find the product link that you want to click on, which in this case would be Boss Secrets. Click that. That'll take you to the final page, which is step 3 here, and where you can access your purchase as well as click on your bonus download link here. So this blue button will take you to my bonuses. Okay, so that's how you find the bonuses. So that's gonna wrap up this video review on Boss Secrets. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.